Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Learn the Lingo. The term today is balloon. Balloon. It refers to a mortgage that may be amortized for 30 years, but comes fully due at the end of the 5th year. In other words, your payment's only $500 a month if you financed it for 30 years, but at the end of the 5th year, the total is due. And you either have to pay it off or refinance it into a longer loan. Let me first tell you this. When it comes to single family, balloons are for clowns. Don't do it on single family real estate. You don't want any balloons in any of your deals. Now, in commercial, big commercial projects like these big 200, 300, 500 unit apartment complexes, we do balloons all the time. But we have options, quite a few options to get past that balloon payment. That we will talk about in another Learn the Lingo. What I'm referring to today is do not do any single family loans that have a balloon on them because it's so risky. If property values drop, interest rates go up, there's all kinds of things that can occur during that 5-year period that could keep you from refinancing that at the end of 5 years, and you lose the asset and your down payment, total out of pocket, is gone. So again, on single family homes, no balloons, period. Remember, balloons are for clowns. That's Learn the Lingo. Thanks for watching.